Hiya, it's the girl Queen with L.L.C. So I got this sugar paste because I'm getting really hairy. And we're gonna go ahead and microwave this without the lid for about 10 through 50 seconds. And we're gonna do this the right way. So as you guys can see, it is definitely sugary. I say it like that because it smells like I could dip a whole apple in here, which I'm very tempted to, but I'm not. Right, that's how good it smells. So without the lid, we're gonna do this for about 45 seconds. Ooh, shut up. So got that in the microwave. What did I say? 45 seconds? Oh, I hate this microwave. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. It's not even warm, so I'm gonna put it back in there. So in my other vlogs, you guys did happen to see that I used the sugar, but I was told to use the wax strip. I don't know why, but definitely not the right protocol. It actually hurt more and it created more mess. So you guys know I am 2 months pregnant. Am I looking forward to doing this? Not really. Maybe if I wasn't pregnant, yes. At least it's pink. They give you complimentary gloves, which is awesome, because some of the sugaring does not have gloves at all, which I did happen to purchase some. I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are. Now the whole part of sugaring is you're supposed to take a scoop, and I'm gonna do the armpits, like small to y'all, but the smell is definitely driving me nuts. So it is mad. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. This is why I'm already fucking up. I am not feeling this shit at all. Look at this. That means it's not even warm, bro. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. This is... And this is actually a motherfucking brand. This shit gonna make me fucking fling it at the wall in a minute. Ain't gonna lie. This shit look hella fucking horrible. Look at this shit. This shit is not warm. I can't do this. I'm actually scared to put this on me. I'm about to return this shit back to fucking Amazon and just do wax. Cause this shit ain't gonna work. Like this, my hands hurt just trying to fucking pull the sugar off the fucking glove. This is a waste. I paid $26 for this. I'm not getting nowhere. Like, I can't even fucking put this shit on my fucking body. Like, what the fuck? Like... I'm used to doing the sugaring actually with the flicker. I'm not doing this. I'm too fucking stressed out. Like I would literally throw this shit at fucking Amazon. Like look at this dumbass shit that I'm going through. This shit was a waste of fun. Amazon gonna have to take this motherfucker back. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. This is dumb. This is a waste of money. I'm gonna try one more fucking time and put this bitch right back in the fucking microwave. And if this hoe don't fucking work, I want my fucking refund. Fucking piece of shit. This is actually the extra gloves that I bought. Thank God I bought it. This is the trash. Like, a minute and a half. It's cold in here. It's like about 70 degrees.
You got gloves?
Yeah, it's gloves.
I like my favorite color is pink gloves. Do you have red gloves?
No, only pink and black.
You have pink and black?
Mm-hmm. Let's try this again. So this is 30. No, this is a minute and a half. I'm gonna just get a little.
You take it out, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not sticky, right?
It's sticky as sugar. I'm gonna just go like this. Bomba fucking clad. This shit fucking.
It's sticky?
Yes, Papa, sticky.
It sticks on you? Get the one and take it off, then. Wanna get the one and take it off?
No, Papa. Oi!
What happened?
Fuck my life, bro. This shit hurts. I don't know. I'm gonna go back to waxing. Oi!
It's okay, Mommy. Take it off slowly, okay?
Mommy has to take it off fast, Papa.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Let me throw this away.
Okay. I mean. Fuck. Okay, so that one. Oh, don't close your arms, like, that hurts. I don't give a fuck, because I'm gonna return this product anyways. I'm gonna still dip it back in this shit. Ah, oh, fuck me. Papa, it hurts.
Yes, it's okay. You put some on your shirt.
I know, Papa, no. Maybe bombo hell. Have anybody think I'm gonna put this on my vagina? That got me. This shit is on my fucking face. Ew! And one in my mouth. I don't like this. I don't give a fuck. This is not beginner friendly. Piece of trash. I don't like this shit. No, this is. I don't give a fuck. I'm going back to fucking waxing. This bullshit. This. I don't like this shit. Zero, fucking zero. I don't fucking like that shit in for like a minute and a fucking half. Actually, 2 fucking minutes. Because this shit, yeah, it got it off clean, but this shit fucking hurt. This shit still motherfucking hurts. This shit, trash. Amazon could take that. It's stupid, dumb ass fucking sugar fucking I don't give a fuck. This sugar paste shit, take this back. It's fucking trash. This shit hurts. And this shit went right on my fucking face. And not only did it go on my face, but it also went right here. So, that's the quickest video ever. This literally lasted 5 fucking minutes. I don't give 2 shits. Say you're beginner friendly, then be fucking beginner fucking friendly. Second of all, oh, I'm not supposed to do sugar and water. Fuck. Shit is trash. I don't care for it. I don't like it. Don't give a damn about it. Because you're supposed to take it and you're supposed to put it into a ball and smear it. I don't like it. I'm going back to waxing. I'd rather deal with waxing. Amazon could take this shit back. I want my fucking money back. I want to go back to waxing. I'm good with waxing. Fuck sugaring. Don't give a fuck about it. I really don't care for it. That shit. Thank God I have my bandana on. Y'all could say what you want to say about sugaring. Learn to use the product first. Yeah. Shut up. Don't care. I really don't. Because guess what? When I did my first wax, even though I never waxed before, but I literally look at what my esthetician was doing, I pick up. It's not hard to pick up. The results are beautiful. Will I do it again? Nah. Would I recommend it to others? Y'all could do whatever the hell y'all want to do. I'm not doing it. I don't like it. I've used the best sugaring actually that I like personally is Moom. M-O-O-M. That's my favorite one. This one never came across a sugar that was so hard to warm up. This was incredibly hard to warm up. Oh yeah. I got a little hair right here. I don't give a fuck anymore. I'm over it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, because I didn't. I got some mess to clean up. Alright, study, bless, and respect, y'all. Peace out, y'all. Bye.